Tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai, haere mai ki tēnei kiriata, ko Amiria ahau, no Aotearoa ahau. Hi everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Amiria and I am from New Zealand. I am an Indigenous Māori woman and I teach Te Reo Māori, the Māori language to learners living abroad. Currently, I live in Memphis, Tennessee in the United States. My classes are a lot of fun. I like to customize my lessons based on the students' needs. And I also have my own Māori language curriculum, which I created to help my students. I've taught Te Reo Māori now for a number of years, and I have my own business teaching the Māori language. Some of my hobbies include traveling, enjoying time with my whānau, my family, and learning about different cultures. I'd love to leave you with this Māori proverb, also known as a whakatauki. Kia kaha, kia maia, kia manawa nui. Be strong, be brave, be steadfast. Kia ora, and I look forward to seeing you in class soon.